Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to check who visited your TikTok profile. Follow these easy steps to easily enable profile visit on your TikTok profile. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go ahead and launch the TikTok app on your phone and make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on your profile. Once you are in your profile, tap on this hamburger menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here tap on Privacy. Under Privacy Settings, scroll down and tap on Profile Views. So first of all, we have to enable Profile Views option. So enable Profile Views and now on See who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed their profile. You will be notified of profile views if the notification is turned on. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. So once you successfully turn on profile view history, now on, whenever a user visits your profile, you will be able to see your profile visiting list by tapping on this little icon at the top right, and here you will find your profile views history. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.